Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to download and install iOS 17. So first of all guys, you have to go to settings, and from here you have to scroll it on, tap on general, then tap on software update. And from here you have to make sure that if iOS 17 is showing here. But let me show you here guys, it's showing here iOS 16.6. It's mean iOS 17 is not releasing right now, because the date is changed. So iOS 17 will be releasing on 6th of June 9 p.m. So guys, after 9 p.m. you have to open Safari browser if you want to download the latest version. Just simply you have to search for beta profiles tab. Now you have to tap on this search icon, then you have to scroll it down. Now as you can see guys, here is the new update. So from here guys, you have to tap on install. So guys, if it's showing here iOS 17, tap on install profile, then tap on install. Now tap on allow. From here you have to close this page. Now after that guys, you have to open settings. Now tap on profile downloaded. Let me tell you that once iOS 7 will be released, you have to follow this process again. Tap on install. Here you have to put the passcode. Now again you have to tap on install again. From here you have to tap on not, now tap on turn. Now it's done. From here guys, close this page, open settings, tap on general, tap on software update, and you can see the latest update that you have downloaded. Just simply have to tap on download and install. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.